Family, this is where we just came from. Elmina, Holocaust Dungeon.
Look at all these clowns. Shells we got.
That's it. That's it. Right there in the view, family. And these are the young ones here we're breaking the chain for. Little Bomani and his little friends. Nana. Little Bomani and Nana. Bomani, you want to join the naming ceremony? Or you want to play right here?
Play right here.
Alright, play with your buddies, alright? Be careful.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to get into this circle.
Brotherhood. Alright. Brotherhood.
Why you looking like that?
Nah, I'm fine.
You got a partner?
My wife.
You can take your partner.
Yeah, I'm fine. You to put him in the Mount Airs. Yeah, whatever.
All right. Okay. So everybody has their partner. I appreciate everything you guys are doing, but I don't want to participate in this naming ceremony. I'd rather do it on my own with my personal spiritual leader. So I
it's all good. Everything is optional. Everybody's not here, as you can see. We just need to get something done for the group.
It's a little wet in the process. Don't even worry about it. Because the same Lord that wet you is the same Lord that's going to dry you. All right? So let's get started. And then after you have washed feet, then we're going to form a circle so that everyone, having been cleansed, new, will get to new names.
I'll be right back.
Hold on, bend down and start washing. All right.
You're scared of a little feet.
Anybody want a feet wash? Wash your feet. If you don't, it's all good. I'm keeping my shoes on. My shoes is not coming off my feet. But this is a program, a part of a ceremony. If you're interested, be free. Exactly, that's what it is.
We'll just lay hands on them.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. And that's what it is on a journey of a lifetime. You're not pressured to do everything. It's a lot. It's a whole lot in 2 weeks. So just do, feel flow.
We're going to lay hands.
Yeah, we will listen.
Lay hands.
Stretch our hands.
Let's go get your partner.
Come on, get your partner. Come on, get your partner. This is the spiritual cleanse. I love it, family. Cleanse your feet from walking around both dungeons. Cleanse your feet and get ready for your Akan name.
I watched your feet, brother. That was good.
And we're gonna have a loud background.
Anybody got Brillo bags?
That is funny. That is so. This is precious. I love it. I love it.
Now we get in the circle.
That's what I'm talking about, brothers.
That's what's up.
What's up? There you go. It's a mutual thing. We love it. Cleanse your feet, cleanse your soul. Whoa, they got you.
A lot of washing. Hey.
Yes, family, this is the cleansing. Once you go to both dungeons, you come and wash your feet at One Africa Beach and then get ready for your naming ceremony.
We're not going to get in the circle.
All right, so we'll come over here and let's start forming.
All right, everybody, let's form in our circle and we get the program rolling. And when you're finished, you can dive, jump, flip in the water as you need.
Turn over.
Oh, yeah, big.
Yeah, you look in there.